Recently, I shared 3 videos on how to sell on Takealot, where to get products and how to register. And today, let's talk about 5 things that you must consider before you buy products to sell on Takealot. Let's go. First thing you want to think about is product selection. What kind of a product are you going to sell? How relevant is it on demand? How profitable it is? Those are a few things you want to think about. And you can go about finding the right products by doing your research with, okay, what are the products that are trending on Takealot? How much are they selling for? Also, if you'd like a video on how to go about finding the right products to sell, please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section and I'll do that for you. Let's go to the second one. Number 2, before you buy products, please make sure to double check the suppliers that you're going to use. Make sure that they are reliable, selling quality products. Are they able to deliver? How long they've been in business, reviews, how others feel about the business. Check all those things. You don't want to use a supplier that will change over time. Now you want products, your clients want products, but they can't deliver. Number 3, pricing and profit. You know your product, you know which supplier you're going to use. Now it's time to look at the numbers. Do they make sense? We're in business because we want to make profit, right? So you want to check what's okay with all the costs that are involved. Am I still able to make profit? And if not, move to the next one. Number 4, let's look at the legal side of things. You want to make sure that the products that you're going to sell and the business that you're going to get supplies from complies with the regulation. Because here's the thing, you don't want to sell products that are going to put your client's life at risk or use a business that doesn't comply with the laws and all that. You don't want to mix yourself with that. Number 5, it's marketing and branding. Takealot is very competitive at this point because a lot of people are in the space. So you want to make sure that your products stand out. And you can do this through aggressive marketing, high quality pictures, keywords, very informative description, so that when someone is looking for that product that you're selling, you are among the few people that are recommended to buy the product from. There you have it, guys. Please make sure to follow. And if you have any questions, please make sure to leave it in the comment section.